Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To this video, we're going to know how social media help families, social workers, and the government in describing information during calamities. Disasters are an unfortunate reality, but technology continues to evolve, improving our ability to respond and recover. Social media is at the front of this evolution. From real-time mapping of affected areas to all-powered tools that identify victims and predict the spread of damage, social media is becoming an increasing sophisticated tool for disaster management. The integration of social media with other technologies is creating a more coordinated and efficient emergency response system. This allows for faster documentation of information, more effective resources allocation, improved communication between all stakeholders. The future of disaster reference is collaborate and technologies and social media will continue to play a vital role in ensuring the safety and well-being of communities affected by disaster.